Hello, and welcome to Barnes & Noble College's First Day program. First Day is an inclusive access model where the cost of your course materials is included in your course fee or tuition. Your course materials will be available to you directly in Blackboard on or before the first day of class. With the First Day model, you can be sure you're getting access to the correct course materials, all selected by your instructor. Today, we will review the First Day program for your school. After watching this short video, you will know how to access your digital course materials via Blackboard and opt out of materials you don't want to use. Let's begin. To access your course materials, you'll log on to Blackboard using your school credentials. Once you are in Blackboard, select your course from the Courses section. Then look at the Course Materials link on the left-hand side. There are several different types of materials you might see within your courses, such as an e-textbook, publisher courseware, or a bundle of both an e-textbook and courseware. No matter which type of course material your instructor has chosen for your course, you can access the material by clicking on the green button. If your instructor has chosen an e-textbook, you will see the Read Now button. Clicking on this button will launch the BNC e-textbook reader and take you directly to your ebook. There are several tools and features you can use with your ebook, such as highlighting and adding notes. Publisher courseware may be delivered in one of three different methods: publisher delivery, single sign-on, or access code reveal. If your course includes publisher courseware and the material is embedded directly in your course through deep linking or learning modules, you will only have the option to opt out. The notes section of this type of course will inform you where to go to locate your publisher courseware. If your course includes other publisher courseware, you will see the Launch Courseware button. Clicking on this button will take you directly to your courseware on the publisher's website, where you will be automatically logged into the courseware and can begin using your material immediately. For certain publishers, you will access your publisher courseware by clicking on the Reveal Access Code button. To access this material, copy the access code and click the link to the publisher's website. Once on the publisher's site, input the code to access your course material. You may need to create an account or sign in if you already have an account before gaining access to your material. For each course material, you can see your current opt-in or opt-out status. It is strongly recommended that you do not opt out of a material, as each material has been selected by your instructor and is required for your course. However, if you still wish to opt out of a material, click the Want to Opt Out link. Select your reason for opting out and click the Opt Out button to confirm. The status will now indicate that you are opted out. You can change your status at any point before the opt-out deadline, noted beside each course material. To opt back in, simply click the Opt-in button. If you remain opted out of a material by the deadline, you will lose access to that material. If you change your mind after the deadline, click Buy Now to view your purchase options at the bookstore. If you have any questions on the First Day program or platform, you can find the support link in the menu on the top right. On this page, you can find FAQs about the First Day program and platform. If you need additional help, click Get Support on the upper right corner to open a ticket with customer care. There is also phone and email support available 24/7 to answer your questions or help with any troubleshooting. As always, you may also contact your bookstore manager with any questions. Now you know how to access your First Day course materials. Log into Blackboard to get started. Happy studying!